Welcome to the Business Growth Series of 51K Growth Hub, and I am Pankaj Dudhaiya, founder and CEO of 51K Growth Hub. Every businessman wants business growth. Business growth requires sound business strategy. Once you have developed sound business strategy, then that strategy must be evaluated at regular intervals. And to help you evaluate your company's business strategy, 51K Growth Hub is coming up with 51K Business Growth Assessment Tool. It is completely free tool. It is completely online tool. The link is given in description. You can use this tool to analyze the current loopholes or current weaknesses into your strategy and what are the strong points in your company. And both analysis will guide you to build a better strategy to drive your business growth further. When we talk about business growth, there is a second biggest hurdle companies are facing in business growth, and that is lacking of marketing strategy. Because mostly we have seen marketing is taken very lightly. It is only considered as a media or a tool for publicity. Actually, marketing is a very strategic science. It is a very logical tool. A sound marketing strategy has 4 pillars. Out of the 4 pillars, in this video, we'll discuss about 2 pillars. First, the first step we have to take is to design annual marketing planning or to prepare annual marketing planning. When you start annual marketing planning, you have to consider 3 factors which are very important. First factor is, what is the purpose of marketing? What is your purpose of marketing? Is it branding? Is it inquiry generation? Or mix of both? Or something else? The second step, who are your target customers? What kind of people, what kind of target audience should see your advertisement, should see your hoarding, should see your digital marketing campaigns? That you have to analyze. And that analysis you can do considering many factors like the age group of your customers, their occupation, their income category, their geography, their buying behavior, their buying patterns, and so many more. You may have many more factors to be added in this list based on your company. Take out the old list of customers, understand their buying pattern, prepare a detailed analysis, and based on that, focus your marketing campaigns, focus your marketing planning only targeting those customers so that your money does not get wasted. And the third factor, what kind of medium you are going to use for marketing. Whether it is an online medium, or it is an offline medium, or it is an electronic medium, what kind of medium. In today's world, where everybody has got a smartphone in their hands, it is needless to say that digital marketing is very fast to reach to your target audience, very effective. But at the same time, every media has got its own strength. No media can replace other media. So we have to also carefully plan how we can use all the media in a proper proportion so that the objectives of our marketing plan can be met. How much budget and how much efforts we want to allocate to print media. How much budget, how much efforts we want to allocate to digital media. And similarly, for all other medias which are important for your company. So these are the 3 factors: purpose, target customers or target market, and media. You have to consider these 3 factors in your annual marketing planning. The second step which you have to take to design your marketing strategy is allocate resources for marketing. You must be surprised why resource allocation in marketing. It is simple, a publicity tool. I just pick up a phone and I tell my agency and they publish the advertisement. Where is the point of resource allocation? And my dear friend, that's where we are slightly wrong. Marketing as a separate function, marketing as one of the most important functions of the company, I can say prime most important function of the company, needs proper resource allocation. And we'll talk about 4 important resources right now. First is budget. We have to plan how much budget we want to consume for marketing function or spend for marketing function. Generally, globally it is trend and it is talked about into industry that whatever the annual turnover of your company, you have to spend at least 5% of that turnover for marketing. For example, if my company's turnover is 10 crores, then I have to spend 50 lakhs as a 5% of 10 crore for marketing function. That's a normal tendency. And there are many research also available online, offline, everywhere because of the various industry factors. Every industry is different to each other. Whether it is a retail industry or real estate, manufacturing, gas, media industry, there are so many categories of industry and every industry has different buying pattern. They are observing different decision making pattern from their customers. Because of this different pattern, the sales conversion is different for every industry. The ratio is different for every industry, and that's where the marketing budget allocation comes into picture. This research says that globally the minimum 2.4% and maximum 18.9% budget is allocated from industry to industry. Some industry sector might have allotted minimum 2.4 and the highest is 18.9. So within this range, in which category your business falls and according to your sales priorities, company's priority, you also have to fix up a percentage into marketing budget from your company's gross revenue. The second important resource is manpower. If your company is very small, you might not require a dedicated manpower. You might be handling many functions. But for bigger companies, for growing companies, a separate marketing function is highly advisable. What you can do, you have 2 options. If you can really appoint a marketing expert into your company as your employee, you appoint employee in marketing department, or if you feel you can appoint a marketing agency. Either way, you should have a dedicated manpower for your marketing function. The third resource is your time. You must be thinking, I have planned, I have budgeted, I put people, then why my time? Your time is very precious, but at the same time, when you are spending a lot of money behind marketing, you have to dedicate some time for the analysis of all the campaigns of marketing, where those campaigns are going against plan. If they are going in other direction, your analysis, your efforts will put them into again a same or correct direction. That's why your time is required. And the fourth resource is technology. In the world of digital marketing today, there are many tools online available, many technology online available, many softwares online available through various media, through various platforms which you can think about using for your company so that you can efficiently plan the marketing functions, efficiently plan the marketing campaigns and get better ROI, return on investment. The topic of ROI is our topic or subject for the next video, but you have to consider this. So friends, we have seen today 2 important factors in designing marketing strategy. The first is annual marketing planning and second is resource allocation. I am sure you must have liked today's video, and whatever your comments, please write your comments into the comment box. And if you feel that some other businessman can also get benefited or your groups can get benefited from this video, I personally request you to share this video with all those people through social media or whatever media you like, so that we all can grow together on the journey of growth. Because the goal of 51K Growth Hub is only one: become world class in business and career, because time has come now. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.